What's up, guys? Welcome back to Race Spec with our boy Jay and his wife Gina, which will be joining us. Toy drive time over at Joe's shop, Maya Motorsports. So we copped some toys and we're gonna head over right now. So we'll see you guys there. Toy time. All right, we're out here at Joe's shop, Maya Motorsports. Go ahead and chill inside. It's got all the toys hanging out here with, I forget this guy's name, but this is a dope LC, obviously. We got a Huracan filled with toys out here. For rent, by the way. Maya Motorsports rents cars. You can rent this Huracan for, I don't know how much, hit him up. Right here in LA, Glendale area. This is dope LC500. Well, guys, since we got here, we have a lot more toys here now. I'm glad we were able to contribute. It's for a good cause, obviously, for the less fortunate kids for Christmas. So, fun fact, I don't buy my family gifts, but I give strange people gifts. But it's all for charity, you know? Yeah, Gina, my sisters don't get no presents, okay?